Welcome to MB Vista's foundation repair. We just finished repairing all the cracks in this basement foundation wall using epoxy injection. So everywhere there was a crack, we installed injection ports along with epoxy paste and bonding adhesive, and then we inject epoxy until the cracks are filled. So we're making sure the cracks are all completely filled right now. So if you have cracks in your foundation and you would like them repaired, give us a call or text now, 720-503-0879 or 720-463-7170. We get free estimates and very competitive rates. Call or text now. Thanks.